Hi friends, welcome to Bitcoin Gem channel. I hope you all are doing great. So we are going to look at Bitcoin today. Bitcoin is breaking out right now and we are going to look at 3-4 different charts that I have for Bitcoin that I keep following and I want to share that with you. So I hope you guys have read this disclaimer. Let us begin today's video. I had just tweeted this that Bitcoin is breaking out right now from this falling wedge or descending wedge, whatever you would like to call. So we can see over here that Bitcoin is currently breaking out of this descending wedge. And if we check the volume, let us check the volume also to see is the volume kicking in. Yeah. So Bitcoin is currently breaking out. The volume is not yet in. And the target for the breakout would be top of the wedge, which is at around $52,800. This should be the ideal target for breakout, and there is going to be resistance, but let's see how we get the follow through from this. But ideally it should reach to this target. Now what I want to share you is I want to show three different charts to you except this chart. First let us go on the 1 hour. So on the 1 hour we can see that the volume has increased in this breakout. You can see it over here that the volume has kicked in on the 1 hour chart. So that's a good thing that this breakout is looking nice. It's looking good. If you had seen this week's 1 minute video, I had already given two targets. One was around 47,000, which is over here, and one was around at $52,000, which is somewhere over here. So I have already given two targets that if 43,350 to 43,500 region, if we are successfully able to flip this into support, then I could see Bitcoin going to 47 and then 51, 52 in the coming 1 or 2 weeks. And currently it looks like we will be heading there. The potential for reaching 50 to 53 is higher right now. Now, if we look at our Bitcoin trajectory chart, then on the Bitcoin trajectory chart, also you can see very clearly that we are currently breaking out. We were getting resisted by this blue trend line, which I was constantly sharing it on Twitter. Make sure you follow me on Twitter. And guys, please like this video. It will just take a few seconds, but it will help my channel grow. So please like this video. So on the Bitcoin trajectory chart, we can also see a good daily candle breaking out. And if we go on to the weekly also, then this week's candle is turning out to be green. We would like to see if we can end the week at this candle top, that is at around 47, 48,000. If we can get above it, that will be great. That will be great. But nevertheless, as I told you, things are looking good. For me, I have constantly shared on Twitter that for me, I want Bitcoin to flip 46 $200 region into support. Once we flip that into support, I can see we going to new all-time highs very, very soon. So that is important for me. What I also want to show you is this is one more chart that I have been keeping an eye on Bitcoin, and I had shared this chart once or twice in September. I don't remember exactly. That this is a year-long trend which I see Bitcoin forming, and you can see this was an important zone. It was a resistance previously. This zone, entire zone from 42 to 39,500 region. This was a resistance. Bitcoin came down and it retested, it gained support over here, it break out finally, and then we saw new all-time highs for Bitcoin. And again, coming below this, that is $42,000, 39 to 42, we saw it took almost 2.5 months for Bitcoin to regain and break out. It tried to break out, but you could see so many rejections over here. So right now, what we have done from this breakdown is that we have come down, we have retested this, and we have flipped this important area into support, which is most important. And if we can break this year long downtrend, then I think that will be extremely bullish for Bitcoin on long term. So this year long downtrend as of today is also at around 51,500 dollars. So reaching to 53 and breaking 53 would be extremely bullish for Bitcoin eventually. If we take the fib also from our top to the May correction, then you can see that 0.786 is at 57 and 0.618 is at 51. So, coming and retesting, sorry, breaking 51, $52,000 range, also this important area of 53, flipping it into support, which will entirely wash out this downtrend. It will be a new wave and a new start for the Bitcoin to reach towards 100K. So this area, in my opinion, is very important, around 52 to $53,000 range. This was one more chart we had done impromptu Bitcoin live stream, where we have defined different ranges for Bitcoin. So what you see right now, the blue color are weekly supports for Bitcoin, and the black color lines are daily supports for Bitcoin. The green color lines are monthly supports for Bitcoin. So if you see right now, we got support from our daily support at 41,200. We did get some wick, but our next major support was at 38,700, which was not retested till now in this downtrend. We are right now reaching towards our another weekly support, which was a previous support. Now we have to see whether this acts as resistance or not, which is at 45,300. Ideally, we will create support here. That will be great for Bitcoin. So you see, a lot of different data is telling me that the first major area to flip is at around 45 to 46,200. For me, it is 46,200, but it is above 45 in short. Once we flip this into support, the next daily resistance is also at 50 to 53. So multiple data are suggesting that breaking out of this, we can go and retest 50 to 53. And then if we come down, and this area should hold as support, these two regions, and it's not sure whether we'll come down or not, but point is, once we come down, this area should hold as support. One is 45,000 and one is 42,000 after retesting 53. Whether we break out directly from this massive accumulation or we come down and retest is what we'll have to see, but this is what I want to see, this zone flipping into extremely big support. And this would be amazing for Bitcoin and overall very bullish for the crypto markets, in my opinion. If you remember, I had tweeted this in September a lot of times that I'm not worried about Bitcoin. I am worried about the overall macro environment, the stock market, and we'll have to see whether that affects Bitcoin or not. Because I can see S&P 500 correcting a lot, in my opinion. We have just begun the correction. And I think if we lose this 4200, 4287 support, I had shared this yesterday on Twitter. This is an important support. You can see over here. If S&P 500 loses this support, then I can see it going for a major correction, this zone. This is the zone that I see is right now holding as support, and losing this as support, I can see S&P 500 can go as low as 20 to 25%. Of course, not immediately, because I can see S&P 500 weak on daily. It's looking weak on weekly. Look at this. This is a bearish candle. and it's also looking extremely bearish on monthly. This has topped out, so major correction is likely, and we'll have to see whether that affects Bitcoin or not. As of right now, it's not looking like that is affecting Bitcoin, which is again a very good sign, a very good sign. So this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope you guys like this video, like this content. Please subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.